In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make custom armor trims in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use armor trims in conjunctions with different ingots and ores to customize your armor in Minecraft. Something that I need to make very clear is that for this video, I'm not going to be teaching you how to make a custom resource pack featuring different designs of armor trims because that process is a lot more elaborate, but I'm still going to teach you how to use them. So the basic requirements are going to be a smithing table, your armor pieces, an ingot of some sort, and the smithing template. So what you will do is you will add the smithing template, then you will add the specific piece of armor, and then the ingot or crystal. So I've chosen to use emerald, gold, and diamond as an example, but you can use quartz, you can use copper, various different ingots. So now when you put the ingot in here, you will be able to preview it. So it is going to appear at the right here, and you can take it out. You can swap it out for different ores, ingots to see how it is going to look. And once you are satisfied, you can redeem the armor. So this is how it looks with various different armor trims. So once you find one that satisfies you, click on it and it will be generated. So now you can equip it and it is going to appear on your armor. Other players will also be able to see this. And of course, you can do the exact same thing with any of the other parts. So you input the smithing template, the ingot or crystal, and then you can equip the armor. So as you can see, this is how my chest piece looks like with gold trim and then emerald trim on the leggings. It is going to work for every single piece, even if you use the same material. So for example, diamond boots with diamond, it's still going to be applied. It is going to be harder to see, but it is still going to be there, even if it is a faint effect. Now, a website that I recommend if you want to browse through various different armor trim options is going to be armortrims.com. So in here, you can input a specific armor trim, the piece that you want to add the trim to, and then the material. And you can preview how it is going to look. Simple to do, very useful. It means that you don't have to keep trying it on a creative world, and you will be able to use all of the different types here. So I hope this video helped you. Before I end, I want to highlight that 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best quality videos and solutions to your questions, so consider subscribing for more Minecraft related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.